Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be introducing some new skincare products for you guys from drdennisgross. I got lucky and they actually sent me this box right here filled with skincare goodies. So if you guys want to see what's inside the box and want to see the new skincare line that drdennisgross just released, then obviously like this video, subscribe to my channel, and keep on watching. Someone from the drdennisgross team reached out to me and I feel super lucky and excited to be a part of this product launch. So they sent me this little box right here which features 3 of the products from their new skincare line, which is the B3 Adaptive SuperFoods line. Yeah, SuperFoods line, which is supposed to help fight 5 signs of stress-induced aging. So I'm just going to be showing you guys the 3 products that are in this box right here, and I'm going to tell you what they help to combat and how I've been liking them thus far. Alright, so the first product from the collection is this serum right here, and this is what the packaging of the serum looks like. So I've already had the pleasure of taking it out of the box because I've been using it for the past week, and I can honestly say this is my favorite product from the line thus far. It's really lightweight, absorbs into the skin really nicely, and it just kind of brightens up my skin. So this serum right here is the B3 Adaptive Superfoods Stress Rescue Super Serum. So the serum is supposed to help with worry lines, preventing and correcting worry lines, flare-ups, and dullness. So I can definitely say in terms of like dullness, this really helps just bring that life to my skin. As far as lines, I'm going to be needing to use it a little bit longer. I don't really have that many lines, just like little forehead crinkles, just because I crinkle my forehead all the time. But I can honestly say that this product has been doing really well for my skin and I'm loving it thus far. So the second product from the collection is the eye cream, and this is what the packaging of the eye cream looks like, and this is the B3 Adaptive Superfoods Stress SOS Eye Cream. And then here is what the actual product looks like. So it's about the standard size of a regular eye cream. And what's great about this eye cream is it's really supposed to help with kind of like that puffiness, that tiredness, and just really just kind of energize and like hydrate your under eyes. So I'm not a huge eye cream person. I love eye cream, but it's hard for me to be consistent. But this one is very hydrating and feels really good on my skin. And this one specifically is supposed to help with tired eyes, crepiness, and puffiness. So this is a good eye cream to wear or put on in the morning, especially when you're just waking up, your eyes are puffy, you're a little tired. Like, this is just gonna really just wake up your face. Alright, so the last product is, of course, the face cream, and this is the B3 Adaptive Superfoods Stress Repair Face Cream. And of course, I've already taken this out of the package because I've been using it for the past week as well. And this is the moisturizer. So first things first, this moisturizer is amazing. I was a little bit hesitant just because I typically don't like creams. My skin is more on the oily side, so I prefer like a gel moisturizer. But this one is super hydrating and then lightweight at the same time. So I love really actually mixing the moisturizer and the serum together on my skin because it just has my skin feeling super hydrated without being like too oily, shiny, or greasy or anything like that. And then the face cream is supposed to help with dehydration, redness, and worry lines. So I can definitely say it's very hydrating for the skin. Like I said, I don't really have problems necessarily with worry lines, and hopefully if I keep using these products, you know, I won't, you know, I already look good for my age supposedly. But all in all, this moisturizer is really good, really hydrating. It works well with the products in the collection, and again, these 2 are hands down my favorite. So what I love most about the products from this collection is they're really helping to stress-proof your skin, which is great for me because I am in grad school, so I do get stressed out, and when you get stressed out, honestly, you don't realize what toll it kind of takes on your skin. So these products are supposed to prevent that stress, prevent that premature aging, and it does that with some very interesting ingredients. So it has niacinamide, which is B3, and this is supposed to help just create that barrier and retain moisture in the skin. And then it also supplies energy to help repair fine lines and wrinkles, reduces redness and breakouts. And then additionally it has 14 superfoods in the skincare line. So it has antioxidant rich ingredients with powers beyond their pure nutritional value to help heal and repair the skin. And then lastly, it has 11 adaptogens, which are their super herbs, that are able to adapt to extreme environmental conditions and the specific needs of an individual. And those three key ingredients are what makes up this skincare line and what makes this skincare line so effective. So everything is clinically tested, and these products, honestly, since I've been using them, have really helped with my skin, just because my skin has been breaking out a little recently. I'm not sure if it's like the weather or stress or a combination of those two things, but these products have definitely helped. So if you're interested in trying these products, I would recommend that you go to Sephora.com, check the products out. I will have a link in the description box below. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed my unboxing slash review slash demonstration of the new Dr. Dennis Gross skincare products. If you did, obviously give this video a thumbs up if you made it this far. I hope that you're subscribed. If not, I'll give you a second. Okay, hopefully we're subscribed, and keep watching. More content will be coming soon. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.